boy.
Abuza thina because angasizwa sinetopic.
Expect ukuzempela.
Maybe expected. Expected.
Enzekeni leso.
Shopingane ngisho amaphaya lapho.
Oh, that's nice. Private. One family, one loan.
Right. Ngikunanga nje
One family, one loan.
yes.
Oh, ngibonile.
Really one love mama.
Ngibonile.
I should pray. So,
Yabona ukuthi ngimakhwana ngemuva. Abanye yaboshwa, abanye bethu bamba inkunzi, sithinga libole bethu. Ngabe sakho imvili. Makhwana. Makhwana boshwa.
Andiyazi mina. Athi angawabi kwa yona. Ayibuzi.
Abantu abamba inkunzi bethu.
Afika sisekapa kanye
Kapa for sure. Kapa is low-key dangerous though.
Low key, high key. Ngakho phela khona iKapa le Cape Town. Khona iKapa bese bekhona iCape Town. Kapa elazikhala le nasiqalile.
But yeah, kuhlukene wethu khona iKapa neCape Town. Cape Town like clean khona kuthuleke khona and shit. Ngeke lapha. What's this place? Shit. Cool.
Indawo ethile.
Ngiyaselwandle though. Shit. Complete.
Kwenzakalani?
Yihle wethu.
Oh, la.
Waterfront or something. I think so.
Ayibona.
Okay, yeah.
Iyabiza la.
Oh, that's Cape Town. Cape Town.
Uyephesheya uya lapha.
Why they don't get abantu abaningi abaphesheya mabe travelisha to South Africa, they just go to Cape Town. And like
Yona ndawo eblind. Akodwa ujazi Port Alfred, ubona Port Alfred blind ngani?
Yeah,
Blind kakhulu. Experience yakhe ngeke mhlawumbe
but it's too small in Port Alfred. I think it's like market, the South Coast. But the South Coast is even bigger than Port Alfred.
So now
Indawo ezintsweni.
Okay, yeah, yes. Maybe ngayo esegoli khona Pretoria.
Goli. CBD. Go like in right for abantu bana South Africa.
Hayi waso yamalokuya bese
Tourist.
Wena
ungahlala eGoli.
Goli mina na.
Uhlala eGoli? Yeah, man.
Goli is for business only bese. Kumele shesha. Angazazi ukuthi kwenzani eGoli bana, you'll be stuck. Gcina sowundabuko now. Yes.
Ana business lakho phela. Ngoba undabuko.
Bahlala wona ngaphoso.
Wena ngaphoso?
Because of mentions ngikulo.
Phela bona bahlala ama-states. Wena
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 kuhlala imali uzodla lapha.
Phela senginemali boy. Waterfront. Waterfront. Okay, I goes for money boy. Business.
Ora amaphosa abahlala kuma-estates ngeke uyifanise nawe leyo nto wena ngeke uyohlala kwi-estate uma ungathi uyeGoli.
Awufika nje.
Estate million nje wethu. Ngiyona amaphosa bayaphila.
Baphila kakhulu phela amaphosa. Awuphili nje.
Baphazidana.
Into eziphilisa imali kusofa baba.
We ihle imali kusofa kutheni. What?
Show my intro bro manje. Ngathi soqala. Siqalile. Why phela siphinde emuva. Shani intro phela.
Okay, uyakhalaza boy.
Yeah.
What up everybody, it's Mr. Hector on the screen and we're back again with another episode.
Brashama intro sesiphakathi. Yo. Bese.
Incha kaca.
Okay.
Let's introduce Makat.
Akaze introduce yet.
I'm here with
Hey, what's good YouTube? Yeah. Wait.
Yes, boy. What up, YouTube?
It's YouTube.
It's your boy Marcus.
It's
From
a
Checkers.
boy.
It's your boy.
I go by the name Marcus. And yeah, man. I'm here on Sonda Sessions Pod. That's okay. At least I'm couldn't. Bayakwazi.
Wangazi uzongazi.
Bo.
Elela baba, been here, gama fika lo.
Introduction every episode manje.
Oh, dog.
Siyaziwa why?
But yeah, kwenzakalani South Africa dog? Kwenzakalani?
Kahle ngayikene.
That is the ANC, mina baba. Boy, one bread, one family. Yeah, hey, ngoba sekuvote. Hey, abe bezenza izinto bro, mase kuzovote.
What on you?
I don't know, but it's this year though.
It has to be April, I think.
Like legit, you can afford it straight.
Yeah.
Oh.
You know, I used to like think Lanto bands every after 5 years.
I think it's 4 years.
Yeah, it's for years.
But not big vote on man.
Yeah.
That's why I'm the boss, but legit.
Oh, the last time we were I think it was 2022.
Nah.
I think so.
But it was so
One of
recent
the
though.
amongst us.
I was never voting.
I've never voted.
Sort of keep this band, you know.
I'm telling you, I'm getting online though.
Boy, me I see
I'm not about to go and
online.
stand in the queue for vote dog.
Imagine, like no
No, for
mzana.
me.
Vote into engekho nakhona.
It's alright. Still try until I do it on my phone.
Oh, nalo yini le yazoma manje MK.
You voting for MK?
Iyazibhangela ne-ANC ngoba
See advance kakhulu.
I'm going with it in MK.
MK?
Yeah.
Khonto yesizwe.
If not the DA, yeah, I can.
Not ANC though.
iDA ngathi ngaphathwa umuntu omnyama bese ngayivotela manje besahamba
Boy, just know that person is a face. He's never putting rules. He's just a face. But I'm
Face,
telling you what
yeah.
I can see.
Same as ANC, isn't it?
Nah, in ANC they make decisions. That's
Ramaphosa
why.
is the front though.
But mostly we ANC, they have, black people have more power.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Even though khona abantu abamhlophe baphula off his dreams.
But Ramaphosa is the front. Ain't no way, boy. Tell me otherwise. Allegedly.
Ngenza bekusuka manje.
I'm fun to see, man. Some crazy shit. Bonito Sima, like, Kuruma had a scandal,
Oh,
a
I
social
saw.
scandal.
Yeah, I think it's me. I
It's
saw
who
it.
still watches that boy, like, who watches that with their blurry camera.
Yeah.
Abu scandal, what reply, I would say, you'll be hearing from our lawyers.
But I don't think there's anything that's gonna happen to Simadi. Cause
Like
it's her opinion, dog. By camera, it dog, and he born then. That's it. It's not like
Isn't that defamation of the
what?
of the Sophie? Like of the Sophie. Because like what she's talking about is not actually, you can't tell me.
But their camera is bad. That's true, dog.
It is that bad.
Boy, the camera is bad.
Oh nah, I don't know. I don't watch scandal like that, so I wouldn't know. But
Boy, but
it's
me.
that bad, boy.
But like, okay. I'm a cameraman. Ahlukile, dog.
Yeah, body quality, boy.
But yes, scandal.
The workers.
I don't know if
Even Yeskim Sam.
Low quality.
Like recently, Yeskim Sam.
I don't watch so people, but like.
But yeah, has a scandal.
Yeah, the scandal. You're not saying scandal with camera being that.
No, I'm talking about now.
Since kwakudala boy.
Oh, since back then.
Wait.
Oh nah.
Iphashile dog.
Oh nah.
Kodwa phela kodwa inkinga ngiyibonte wrong because ushare opinion yakho ukuthi kufana manje ifan ithi sonda ngecamera yeni madoda. Lo muntu bese msuka.
Umsuwela.
Yabo. That's what I'm saying ba yikho la ngiyabantu. Mhlawumbe kuba ke kungisima bemazi ne-influence.
Sibele nje into zokusuka zenzeka kanjalo. Ngeke umsuke umuntu ongenamali.
How?
Uzomsuwela
Uzomsuwela. That's waste of time, boy.
Mangena imali iza kumina. Mangena imali iza kumina bro. Mina bese abo enye into bengifuna ukukhuluma ngayo le Shandis leyo phaya dog.
pie out.
There's a guy.
Like, I don't understand how are you a teacher with that mentality. Like, how are you a teacher and you're supposed to be teaching to be kind and to care about others? But you're doing the exact opposite.
Yeah, I won't lie, but that's why I'm always saying condomize.
Oh no.
Condomize.
Condomize.
I don't know
Wait,
if,
so what do you mean condomize? Because of the situation?
now the kid is a love stock now, boy. Huh?
They mind as hell.
Okay, but ufuneke qale kuhleka uqala.
Who laughed? Akekho umuntu ohlekile.
Ney'ngane esikoleni.
Akekho umuntu ohlekile.
Okay.
Get a lot of this guy. Backflips.
My man, boy. My man, ngakule wayefit. Yenzekile no on the cam because
Yeah.
t-shirt in my bottle and that. But after dog, you know what's gonna happen. After chowing, you know what's gonna happen. After
What's
it
gonna
comes-
happen? Because
Kids are gonna laugh, bro. They in primary, dog. They laugh at
I
you
don't.
because you are fucking ugly. So,
nah, not today's kids. Today's kids are unlike that. Right?
Me, that's why I'm always saying.
I don't know. I
boy,
feel good to me. I got you.
I don't know. I'm not in primary. But we know how primary is, dog. Let's not act like we don't know. We know how primary is. Bakhona bangampha bakhona bangamhleka. Abantu baphuma emakhaya ngafani.
Yeah, that's true, dog. But
So
in this situation, dog, I doubt.
Maybe ngafike kwayilapha like it didn't like face
What was the reason behind vele yonke ukuthi umntwana angaphuma ekhaya?
I get to the teacher asked the parents to send money for the kids to be bought pies and drinks, like refreshments. So apparently this one child didn't have like money and stuff, so that's why he didn't get the pie.
Because no serious, sikhona into ezenzayo. Ufumana imali kumele
Oh, nah,
He's
they
still
they
young
too
for
young
that,
for that
yeah.
boy. They too young. Angizolwa bese kuthiwa yeah, grade 6, 7 and but now
But
I think it
even
was
the,
grade 1, 2.
yeah, but no teacher, bro.
But the teacher's mentality
Because
boy, like
I remember also in grade 8, so this was special. But I remember in grade 8, Nasa Zisimal, then Umemos was Tengelo. Rahim, then she bought us a pizza and then even people didn't contribute. They child because they were there at school.
yeah.
They child. Man, you know, well,
Like the teacher pays such a video,
Yeah.
cause I'm sure the mali mase ihlanganisile bro, ngeke kuphuma
It was
pies,
okay.
exactly my learners. For sure there was some extra money there.
Oh,
We couldn't afford for the kid.
Ngisho ukuthi bekwenzela isikole for something like
But
raise funds.
Nah, I think it was for that class specifically, because if it was for the whole school, then it's something like imagine how many kids weren't going to pay, and like
But
the
that
principal,
Mzali,
Kiafana, she is suspended after that. Like,
the teacher.
yeah, the teacher is suspended for that action.
Umzali.
Suspension.
Umzali.
Umzali.
Umzali yeza ngani mali.
Hey, that'aphi imali akasebenzi.
Uzaleleni bekakhulumaza ingane.
Ngoba ufuna ingane.
Ufuna nani ingane ungena mali? Would you notice about it?
Angithi unayo ingane mina anginamali.
Exactly.
Khona
That's the
social
same.
grant, baphila social grant bese.
It's not enough, dog.
Phela iyakwazi bona baphilisa though. But like it can't cover other expenses. Now bayaphila nje bese.
Ukhona kusomnyuma posted Facebook ukuthi ukhulisa ingane yakhe nge-social grant.
Vele uyayikhulisa mve kodwa khona izinto manje njengalezi ezokwenzeka enganeni.
Phela bethu kumele kuthiweni because enye into unemployment lana siyayazi ke le. Condomize wangeke phela lokhu condomize no like lo muntu wakho no be for real dog.
Kodwa
Umuntu wakho lo condomize phela kuyenzeka boy uthi yabo ulokho nje boy ungaphumi in time. And then
uthisha be wrong kodwa wakwenza ngathi umzali be right.
asisho ukuthi ukho babe right babe yabo
The teacher was utterly wrong.
Yeah, I'll teach you a bit
The
wrong.
teacher was wrong.
And
Ain't you supposed to be a teacher doing that? What are you teaching to kids? To be cruel? Boy, video. It's gonna trend. Getting a trend. Social media, it's gonna trend.
Hey, those influencers were teachers too.
Bro.
Hey, what I don't understand.
But then I'm not him dad and very voice.
Face, I'm dad for sure.
Think in the 50s though.
Yo.
Yeah.
If not 60s.
Everyone's got to this.
I'm sure you have a better film to be very young ago. Was according to be to ask if you give.
That's a kind of penny. That's a kind of penny.
Class, you shit is also suspended because like you can't be a teacher with that mentality, bro.
I'm telling you,
but like, what if that was your child again,
poor baby to rise the line.
Yeah.
And it's left behind. Bengiyathanda benzo kwabo umntwana.
Mhlawumbe nomzali ukhohliwe kashe.
Ubufuzalo
wengane umnikeza imali.
ukhohliwe.
Yeah. You can forget, dog. Abafo enzekeni hleze nginawo cash.
But like ingane ngizokukhumbuza manje namhlanje. Sithenga lo phaya imali. Ingane izokukhumbuza.
Yazi ingane vele ikhumbuza ekseni. Yazi vele ikhumbuza ekseni. Awuna cash. Awuna cash, boy.
Although there was a letter issue, no, I don't think there was a letter issue.
Hey,
yeah, she deserves to be fired. I think I paid the cash on it.
I'll big up to the
fire,
kid,
bro.
Big up to the kid, cause
He's managed now, boy.
nah, she not local. Reaction yakhe dog. It was just ngafuna ukuvela camera. He feels like hurt or something. Ubonile ba okay situation kanje. Wazivala ubuso, wazivala umlomo. It didn't like yabo. But big up to the kid dog. And big up to those who donated. But man, bonito. I think it was like 30K.
40K, that's how I checked.
40K.
40K.
There's so many pies online.
Yeah, but
It's a whole lot of ingredients, boy. They're fucking.
I'm telling you, this got also on go pie.
Hold on, what's here? Double.
Mom, what poor much or something like
Yeah?
the parent of the kid didn't say anything.
I haven't seen their statement.
What the two corner 8. Yeah, what about mama about Pumi about ingane yabo. Yeah, I was like, oh no, one I'm saying man.
Yeah, oh nah. It's South Africa, boy. But like that's another hack. But Facebook is another hack to make money, bro. Like there's this time, Kona Lumudilo was actually a cocaine mojak. That's the cookies. And a farmer bank detail on Facebook.
From cookies, I
People keep on fucking money that will get account that will fucking money. Like,
If you have the
Tina
money,
Siakla, I'm not taking more than
imagine
crazy,
but yeah, go now.
Tina Cocaine Motega Sikivere.
I will see some money.
No, it's not Johnny Motega afford to
Because
be like, why are you buying a car? What's that?
Na connected the day it's saying imoto wathi ukhokhele cash paid in full dog. Awube posta kuthi imoto repossessiwe wathini kanjani wathi imoto ithenge cash dog paid in
Can't
full.
buy a car you can't afford and maintain. That's absurd. Talking about the first status, nah, that's crazy, bro. Things we do in South Africa, boy, are crazy, but okay.
Ukhokhele imoto ngezwiki bele.
boy, people are money to South Africa. Money okudlala South Africa, boy.
Ngoba ukhokhele umuntu bethi naye imali yamukuthi akhokhele imoto. Nah, bro.
Okay, saying
if you have money, bro, you can just do it like out of love.
Yeah,
there are people under the bridges, boy.
Oh, bro, yo, I also saw something, but I think it was long. I couldn't read it. Couldn't tell the other South Coast. They were also putting money for it. Like, they're going to Ghana. I forgot her name, dog. She said, really dark mode. It was when people reposting. So funny.
I don't know.
Oh, ngayibona le.
Yeah.
Hlala igcile.
Yeah, exactly. What happened, bro?
Usichazile isitory sakhe Facebook wathi mfethu I think her mother went mentally ill so angakazi ukuthi aqhubeke nomsebenzi. Yabo kwayiloo nto ukuthi kubo ke babevele yabo abekho financially stable ngaloo ndlela so kwenzeka ukuthi yena kwenzeka ukuthi ugogo wakhe athi akaqhubeke nesikole. No, ayeke isikole mina ufuna umsebenzi ukuze awazi maintain family, but wathi hayi uzoqhubeka isikole engakho sehamba ecela futhi. Bamzama abantu bakwazi ukumzama, but I think kwathi she went to a loan shark manje lo mashonisa ufuna imali yonke leyo nto. So that's part of the story, not some.
Mashonisa.
Yeah, but to put him on mashonisa should be.
Oh, I think I remember the story.
Mashonisa boy.
It's in the show me.
That's in ways the minds need
Yo.
to fight.
Things mashonisa my phone, my iPhone. Only bank was over blacklisted and stuff.
Blacklisted.
Yeah, for that. That's like 5 years, dog.
Blacklist.
Mashonisa. Yeah.
So uyenza ngeya phela ube blacklist.
Angazi ukuthi liyapheka kodwa uba blacklisted for 5 years. Yeah, but like you can still push a life, dog, without anyone like.
So like after
Quitting
5
time.
years, you'll be blacklisted. After 5 years, it's for or you can't get a loan. Like it's 5 years later, you still own the bank. That blacklist, yeah. So
A blacklist, I think there's a bit of 5 years. But a bit clean.
I think it depends on what you did.
Blacklist among a cocaine pay. That's the only reason why I get blacklisted.
Because one was 5 years, people starting you know.
Yeah.
So pay the 5 years on cocaine. Kada basi ukuboleka phela usuphelile 5 years usuyakwazi ukuboleka manje again.
But phela kumele uqale futhi wenze credit score yakho. Angari you can't borrow money without like credit score.
Oh yeah.
So uzoqala phansi ubuild then bese
So
uyaboleka.
either way is maybe ikhokhe le.
Kodwa at least akho umuntu ozosabisa ukuthi okay manje ngibone ukuthi indoda yakho lazo. Iwe ofuna lazo abantu.
Alright, yeah.
Because yo, boy, mashonisa, that's where like.
Amashonisa abana kubula nokubulala boy. Ufuna imali yami manje.
Anginkinga ke.
Uzofuna umndeni la family member. Thoma wakho bengikweleta we.
And abantu bakubulala boy, bekwenza.
Wait, so like impera imali yazi.
Mophisa mina ngena mina ukuthi sibantu ukukoleta.
So like impera ke let's say uboleka imali ebank ke manje. Then you die. Who pays that money?
I think it's the other stuff.
Yeah,
That's a hack.
Yeah, you know, sometimes I think about those things, but like.
Uyakugogela
Grazer boy.
Yeah.
uboleka imali abanye.
Ebona imali ngesigriza la.
Ngicabanga ukuthi impilo siyazi. Impilo tough, dog. How about you boleka 5 million? Vele mhlawumbe ngizoqala ukhokha after 6 months. Ngiwuspend lo 5 million ngiphile. After 6 months.
Ushayile wona uzoshama investment.
That's yeah, bona wazo invest. Mama wazo spend.
Uzoyikhokha
Uzoyikhokha kanjani boy?
Yeah, for 5 million dog so ufuna ukuthi ukhiphe imillion elodwa dog invest ngalo ke into yini. Separate places
70s.
Then now 4 million now spend
Go spend it for me. No.
At least
Wait, okay, let's do a scenario. So like we are niggas of 5k. How much are you investing? How much are you spending?
Me and a man.
Yeah.
Showing all of it.
wow.
Right now.
5
I just wanted to charge.
Yeah, neon my blue is. No, that's how people end up I blew it.
Right now, dog.
Right now, how much are you spending? How much are you saving?
About 5 minutes I'd spend like 2.5 M. Spend. Then normally 2.5 M go fly the
Nah. Did you say 5 meter?
Yeah, 5M.
Ah,
How
5
much
meter.
are you spending? How much are you saving?
2.5
I can save like over 2 meters nyana. Then like 3, which how it boy.
3.
Like living, boy.
Boy.
Like living,
3.
boy. But I think like you think short term because like that's the money you'll be getting now. So when you think about having fun now, like now I gotta
Wait.
have fun.
5 meter is landing on your account. Man. Quick. When usacabanga indaba ezikude. You can't just like with more investor. I think it's also a process now.
That's investment. It has
Yeah.
to be a process, a long term.
Yeah, but manje now in 5 minutes it's in deep. Like
Not
everything. Not all of it, but like 3 dog.
Yeah, 3 mningi.
Into emitha dladla lemitha uchaga.
Kodwa kuyafana ngamadladla abiza.
Uchaga alo.
Mhlawumbe the cheapest house you can buy is about 800k.
Phakathi ngihlala ekhaya 5 million ngahlala nje ekhaya boy with 5 million. Why invest ngiyahlala.
Cape Town, where are you?
Get the vacation, boy. Get the vacation, boy.
We Cape Town. Cape Town, you're bored. Let's go to the UK,
Shamakadri, boy.
But 5 boy.
I want to show
you. Like, spending money is way. Spending money is unganakanga yazi uthi masawubheka oh shit spend like 2k or 200k or something.
Yabo mina ngikwazi ukuphuza 2 days landelana. So
there's also quality manje boy.
Yazi boy. Ayinto ezokuquleka siqinisile. Siyaqalisa.
Uza nje into efuna wena akekho ukutshenga.
But one thing I wouldn't do, bro, is spend with mommies.
No, mommy's a chugging money, boy. It's stingy association.
Aye, boy. Aye. Finally, today, and see, this code here, it's if love doesn't find you when I'm broke, full set mustn't get rich. Nah, bro,
that's valid though.
That's valid, boy. Let's see. Qala uthola imali bese amantombazana azokulandela ayapha amantombazana ayapha amantombazana ayengekho isikhathi ngisayithola le mali azokhona senayo
boy it's to find someone dog lokhu nje uthande ungenamali reka kakhulu amantombazana athanda izinto man
athanda imali.
Do you think that's why like these old dudes who have money go for young?
Yeah.
It might be that. It might be
because as a woman,
when let's say you so old man with that age,
you go to Mela.
When umuntu ku age efana yakho. Asithi
oh,
40 something dog.
Then like
ungamiyela umuntu na 40
and she's being living.
You wouldn't.
I boy ngeke.
You would go below, boy.
But my 26, 27.
Oh, nah.
Telling you about.
But yeah, but that's how it is, dog.
Yeah, give me a run of 40. Aye.
Yeah, well, you have money. You tell this person is being living like here's my Ferrari, my Porsche, 99.
Retired. Oh, that's another thing, dog. Yo, that's another thing, dog. Yo.
That's the thing about our generation. We have so many, and they'll be so retired after, and they'll wanna settle.
It's been there, boy. It's been like, aye, boy.
What happened to he? Anthony Ambamo, Nicholas Pep.
Yeah, Nicholas Pep.
As Johnny Ponster. I was like, dog.
You know, I feel like that one is. Do you know why I'm saying that? Allow me to learn. Do you know why I'm saying that? You got, she's a porn star than dating someone who's fucking around.
So what's the difference, dog?
You got, but boy, I'm saying.
I wouldn't take.
Like, bro.
Gang, boy. Yes, you're not the one spitting that yes, boy. You're not the one. You're one, boy.
She's working, dude.
No, so I'm dead. But as a porn star and a prostitute, dog, they're doing the same thing. What much is it to car? What's day one? But
the other one, I think the other one is safer.
I think Peripon style video.
Yeah, but it's safe. I get the test.
1 2 in and out.
Sure. What's the day one?
Because I get videoized.
Would you date them? Fact?
Nah. I'd smash, but not date, dog. There's a difference.
Oh yeah.
There's a difference, dog.
You smash?
I wouldn't smash. I'm joking. You
no. You
yeah.
that nyash, bro. Huh?
Yeah.
Stop lying, bro.
Nah, bro.
Nah, it's
Stop
That's
lying.
too much.
I'm not gonna
That's
judge
too
you.
much.
How is it too much?
Judging
How is it too much?
cold, bro.
It's too much.
You wouldn't go for code 14, would you?
I ain't boy.
It's
No,
a code, bro.
Yeah.
it's a code 10. And code 14 is too much. Double trade, didn't I?
Yeah, yeah.
Angiyawuzwa boy. What uzovumile? Angazi.
That's the thing. That's the thing.
Nah, bro.
Got you, nigga. On 4K, bro. Doesn't seem sure about his answer.
But you
But,
split.
It's not my type, dog.
You'll
My
split.
type, Not my type.
You split like me.
like a loop. Oh, my God, that's it. Hey.
Angiyawuzwa mina boy.
Yeah.
Angiyawuzwa boy. Yo.
Having a thing is sure what I'm doing. When you throw the kuyafana, retired hoe and like dating a porn star. Similar thing.
Okay, but the porn
Where's
star.
you on my video? All over the internet.
But like the porn star is coming back home with the money.
Long me I win man.
Nah.
Yeah, depend.
Bayamphuzisa ujabela uphila impilo xa siyakhe.
Yeah, that's bona.
Ihlukile because lo munye yeah
Omunye,
uzogoduka la
Bringing money to
ingubo
the
yakhe
table.
one nani.
omunye, let's ikuke uvithekile lento.
Yeah.
Ngicabanga ukuthi yasimehla boy. Akhali ngale ndlela akhala ngayimekhala amavidiyo.
Here's a question.
Wait, so uzobukela amavidiyo akhe?
Phela showcase wako uyawazi dog. Ngeke ukuthi
support.
Uyawazi dog. Ngeke utshela ukuthi bengazi ukuthi porn star ntombi yakhe. Uyazi amavidiyo akho uyawazi showcase. Showcase man. Telling you.
Maliphuma libuyisele.
Yo. Alibuyisele yena. Akuthi ubuyiselwa bona yena. Ngeke ngilonge boy.
Izothi intombi yakho ke le boy angeke ngilunge. Never be me ngaba ngami cause
Me, I wanna ask, would you date someone she has like everything, good personality, uphatha kahle, but the coochie dog is not the one. Like she has everything though.
how is it not the
Muhle.
one?
Phela ayigculisi wena. Mhlawumbe ikhona emagculisa kodwa wena ayigculisi.
Awuyizwa.
Eh.
Yabantu. Stop.
Boy, she's fit, gorgeous.
Just leave, boy. Why are you gonna stay there if you're not happy? But you have to be happy about everything.
Into ehlalisayo yini.
But there's no one perfect though.
Yeah, there's no one perfect, but like you can make your perfection. I get now you should see.
Like I'm not perfect, but there's someone perfect for you.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You can make your perfection. Yeah, well, who's can say those? Oh, I love this kuku. I want to I just want you to learn ngiyizwa nje. Oh, why is uhlala ke la kubona ukuthi ngiyizwa.
Uyabona manje ukuthi uphethe kahle. Akekho umuntu azokuphatha kahle kanje. Phethe kahle. Ubone ukuthi
Phela futhi uhappy phela.
Ubone ukuthi sengathandweni.
Embedeni kuyabheda
But
but
now
uhappy.
the only problem ukuthi masoya bedroom
Phela kusho ukuthi uhappy.
you have to think twice.
Ungalani.
Awukho happy lapho boy, you pretend. Online, you pretend.
Ngizocabanga ngabini.
You just pretending, boy. Like,
So
why?
you're not dating that person? You're leaving.
I would leave. Personally, I would leave.
Yeah, because you want to have someone because you're bored, so I get you. I get you, my boy. Yo, boy.
Yeah.
It didn't happy go
Angisho ukuthi yikukho bethu.
But yeah, if I just stay in Busona,
Sewi edition nje on the list there, yabona ukuthi oh nah. Plus
It's not an
bonuses.
edition. If you see plus bonuses, ngeke boy. Ibalekile boy. That's ukuthi but ibalekile ukuthi ube umuntu right.
Vele angaba right abenjani mawungam enjoy ungamuzwa. Yini ozoyihlalela lapho so the whole fucking year uzobe pretend nalo muntu masingibhedini ukuthi yeah I'm enjoying this. Wow, what tell Vedo it's fuck the shit man. This shit is cold as fuck.
But she's the one. Like,
How is she the one when ubone usakhona into eshodayo?
Mina konke ekucabangisa ukuthi hayi bro.
Phela amakhona into eshodayo kuyena sure she's not the
She's
one.
not that one.
Wena kumele abe perfect in all ways. Ubone she's the one.
Shoot.
Accept her with her flaws. Yabo.
So
So- That's what I think. That's what makes most men cheat.
So
I
I
think
should leave this man.
they will be treated well with love and everything, but like the sex is not it. They will go and look for the sex somewhere else.
the thing is, it's not like it's akufani compared to the women because bona they go with feelings. Thina siyawazi nje ukuthi hambe smash omunye umuntu. Zero feelings. Smash phinde ubuyele umfazi nakho umthandayo.
But if you keep on smashing that person, you're gonna catch feelings as a man.
Depends, but
I think with men it goes with discipline, but because men could like go and smash.
Boy, do you think you can smash one person for like 6 times and not have anything for her?
Yeah.
You. I need to
We just mutual friends who are having sex. Not
you can't
much.
ngiyayimosha. What's a catch? Uyayimosha.
Very boy, got that pillar.
Ngiyayimosha.
There's gonna be that feeling, that spark, but hey, that's a man control. That yeah, it's fine if you're saying like you have to leave at that point, but like don't say, bro, you can smash someone like almost like every day, then you don't feel anything.
Wait, like, am I single while smashing that person, or I am not in a relationship?
A good relationship.
Yeah,
I wouldn't catch that. Or why would you catch when you? Okay, why are you cheating from the first
Yeah.
place? Don't cheat, guys.
That's it.
Don't cheat, guys. Cheating is not good.
Sexual-
But okay, in this scenario,
Sexual ukuthi uma yabo uyajola sure. But manje umfazi akho uyabheda ebhedini. Whack.
Mfazi.
Okay, intombi yakho uyagirlfriend nayo umfazi. Uyaboza ebhedini. Uyahamba uyocosha ngalo ubuye right. Umfazi uyayithanda intombi yakho lo umthando.
That's what I was-
That's what I'm
Good
saying.
boy.
That's what makes most men cheat. Ukuthi yabo sempetheni akekho happy lo muntu wethu. And mase ethole right uzobona mamoods akhe ukuthi nah, this nigga is getting somewhere else. He's glowing these days. Like, he's
Kodwa dog-
smiling like he's never before.
Uzokwazi ngani yena uma ukuthi uyasmesha lapho kuyena phinde uyasmesha lapho.
Phela imood yakho iyashintsha boy automatically. Mawuthole kunika kahle nje uzobona nawe ukuthi damn.
Ah, this one is the
You
one.
is the one, this one. Ubone nawe reaction yakho maphuma kumfazi wakho ubandayo yabona
So
ukuthi
okay.
it's the usual. Nama so uthole
But me, I don't cheat, so I wouldn't know.
I wouldn't know, but I'm just hypothetically speaking.
Bro, do you think it's hard being a loyal boyfriend though?
It's not that hard.
It's not.
It's not.
Uma ungezulalela abantu right. Uzolalela abantu.
Because I saw something on TikTok where people were saying like it's hard being a loyal boyfriend. Because like even if your mom doesn't answer your calls, like or she's quiet for like let's say 5 hours without saying anything, you're gonna go crazy because like what's going on? Why are you not answering?
Yeah,
your phone?
kuyenzeka but ke iyangokuthembana kuyini.
No, you trust it. You're good, but like
Awumthembi phela uma uzokubuza after 5 hours uthi why ngalokho nje uthi umthembi. Angwa into yokuqala ephengqondweni yakho.
comparison.
Uyafela.
You chat like almost every after 2 hours.
Mhm.
Now 5 hours gone. And more parents are 7.
That's what I'm saying.
But
Kubaluleka
it-
ngokuthatha
it-
every
it-
day
it-
mina bethu be-relationship.
I get it.
Chatting
It-
every day is
it-
not a necessity. Masithandana siyathandana.
Into
We can talk here and there.
Like which is no comparison every day.
efika emqondweni yakho boy ukuthi uyafela. That's the thing. Yabo uyangcono ukuthi phela uthi mhlambe uyazi-addressa ukuthi hayi kuseni zoba busy noma nothi
Yabona i-relationship engatshelani ukuthi uzobe busy ngani, like you just get up and be busy. Umuntu
it's
yabona
just-
5 hours later akakuphenduli. 10 hours later usathulile akutshelanga ukuthi uzobe busy ngani. Yabona that's a bit shady boy for me.
ungcono umuntu uzomtshela ukuthi
Ayizosho nje ukuthi okay today I'll be busy for the whole day. Okay, fine. I
With what?
understand. But uzosho into uzobe busy ngayo. I wouldn't know.
Whole day, bro. You can't take a phone and speak for like 1 minute.
Phela ngithi that's why I informed you earlier ukuthi ngizobe ngibusy. Mangisithola isikhathi ngizokutext abemuntu. You get me? But ke in some cases khona bavele banyamalale the whole day.
Come back and explain later.
Khona bangachaza nokuchaza these days.
khona ufika sekushayela i-VN boy uthi yazo i-background ukhuluma umjidi but oh nah
Just pigs, you know.
oh nah
Would you ever like stay in a situation like that
Oh.
just because you're smashing?
no
Okay. You know,
Mina,
bro,
I am not
someone got cheated on. Yeah, bro? And then Brew was like, yo, you just wanna stay. I wanna pay revenge to this mommy. I'ma forgive her,
You.
then revenge later on. Would you do that?
Depends on like how committed I was to her when she did that. You know, like
Nah, you were like, you all would love you.
like we were locked in, but like
Yeah.
revenge. What would be the revenge? Sleep
For
with
what?
your mother.
Whoa!
Yeah,
Like
but like, look,
Damn.
I'm not revenge for what?
what revenge?
For sure, you're gonna do something dirty, but like, you're just gonna say,
When's that in
yeah, you're just gonna say, so you cheated. Ah, shit, that's bad. Then you say,
Thing
it's cool,
like
I forgive
after
you.
cheating,
only
nothing will be the same. Like I must say, nothing will be
The
the
same if the
same.
woman cheats for you.
Nothing will be the same.
Oh shit, if you cheat, I mean.
Nothing will be the same. I must say, nothing will be the
Uxolele,
same.
but-
Uzoxolela yena, but like
Ikhona
some things will bond
Yeah, what is it?
asangithembisise.
Yeah, sekho leyo nto at the back of her head ukuthi
Ukuthi
hayi lo
yena
muntu uyakwazi ukuthi angifebele yabo.
Now uzobona ukuthi oh everything I do now it's about cheating or something. Lapho when I try to move past it, but like it's hard for her to move on from that. But we have to uxolele, but yabona ukuthi now she's not.
It's gonna take time for sure, but like, she's gonna be numb.
Not fully ncado.
Not this generational. Our generation yethu bana you care shit. Cheat nje. Thank God.
Waxolelwa nje ukwazi ukuthi that one is plotting against you.
Boy, yeah.
Condesa.
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 Bonje la bana care shit uthobe.
Plus indlela
Ngisho
mfethu
emshadweni bayaphuma divorce abayisabi. Gone.
I bet. Also, why are you cheating on the married?
that's another thing. When ushadile in the best place.
Like, bro, sometimes I see bros like, being mama chair, dog, go shut them.
Ubona ba? Konomazi.
No, but like, sis.
Wait, do you think labantu laba abashada besabancane kanje like on 2021 like they are missing out on life or like they made a great choice for
Bro,
them?
what is there now, dog?
What is
That's
the
the thing.
like what?
And that's like thing to experience. If we're not shut in, we're shut in.
I don't know, man, like growth are like they are
Exactly.
What is exactly doing that? There's nothing to miss out. If you have to go up, you think you can take care of your family, dog, or your mommy, like, just do it. Because honestly, there's nothing there, dog. There's absolutely nothing. The pressure, nje, ebozayo. You can go with your
IG
mommy.
pressure.
Yo, IG, smule.
IG
IG.
society
Aye boy, yeah. Well, when more especially with my relationships, I'm not taking them as much the standards.
they have a mentality. Seven scenario yabo ukuthi this is a perfect relationship for us. They can't settle for less.
Even my novels, hey.
I'd say like akunankinga nentombazana ezokwazi ukuzi-afforda lezi zinto phinde uzofuna kuwena. Yabo lo ongakwazi ukuthi azi-afforde yena azozifuna kuyena
Awunankinga.
azi-afforda ngithi yabo intombazana uma
Afford ikwazi ukuthi let's say yabona wena ufika wathola intombazana ifaka ama-waves and stuff, shayi makeup yabo, faka ama-nails done. Bese ufike wena ube indoda yayo. Of course uzocela imali azuze. Ufike ezenza vele.
Ngifike
ezenza
manje.
so indoda
So indoda yakhe phela.
Not
angithi you're taking care of her.
not the father.
You're taking care of her.
You the man practicing.
Gents, yabona nani
Yeah,
practice
practice.
lezinto emjolweni. Nisazoba fucked like yes. Nisazoba fucked, bro. I'm always saying, bro, there are things that I will never do for a girlfriend.
That's genuine.
Right now, yeah, exactly. Allowance for I would never do that shit, dog.
Subscription of dating. Yeah.
I would never do that
I would
shit,
never
dog.
pay
But
subscription
for
of
my
dating,
wife,
but-
there's plenty of things like I would do everything for a wife. But for a
Like, why is
girlfriend,
a different scenario?
yeah,
Like,
that's what I'm saying, bro.
girlfriend,
There's not things.
they
This
are
girlfriend,
misusing the girlfriend allowance chat. Like you can't be paying for someone you're not married to, I think.
I mean, bro, I'm always saying like, yo, gents, y'all are living crazy, dog. Girlfriend allowance, every month you keep him at your look and nah. You, dog. If she's demanding that, then she's not for you, bro.
That's the bare minimum.
They are
for you.
demanding.
Yeah. Mezele ukuthi relationship kumele umnike imali nanga asijoli phela akufani ukuthi bethu
Subscription monthly ngiyarenew abenzela azongithanda kakhulu.
Kufana ukuthi ngiyiboss yakho and you are my employee ngiyakuholela njalo ngenyanga asijoli phela.
I mean, boy, there's plenty of things I want to do in Jolweni, but I can't back. Once I take a wife, I'll do them. Like there's plenty that fun. Is loyal in Gamenzi, maybe once in 6 months. Yeah, nails twice in 12 months. No, bro, for real. Yeah, you can do birthdays, man, dog. But in jail,
your birthday, come back, baby. Draw or something.
Yeah, bro. Like that's why I'm best as because of these things, bro.
That's one thing I'll never.
Phela kukhulu ngayo lo concept ukuthi nzimali amantombazane azokulandela. Then ngamanye wathi amaningi afikele lo nto ukuthi mase nemali onke amantombazane ayawafuna. But hayi. Kwantombazane uthi yabo imali iqede kanti bengakufuni kwayo. Wena ubhayisini.
Ithanda imali yakho not you.
But do you think like also the money can change?
It means yamshintsha umuntu imali.
I think very like change like literally.
Because yabo umuntu okhuluma ongenamali. Kakhuluma into ethile ukuthi manje imali angenza ubani nothuli. Ngeke
my girlfriend allowance.
Ngeke
But boy, when
ngobe ngenamali ukhuluma
for sure.
You wouldn't mind to give it to me.
Bro, intombi lani yasho intombi gents. Intombi. It's a girlfriend.
Somebody wants a happy.
Angithi girlfriend at the end of the day you're looking to make her a wife.
Okay, yes the way nah, it's not I find nam but find the cherry as me sure budget abani. Then wait. Yabo. Then fika kumhlaba sene polycard ezi7. Yabo? 7 now. Days chilly 7.
Yo, chilly 7. Because ngoba like 15 is a norm now. Komba yeah. 15 things inside you, dog. I get it.
Double digits is crazy. To start with, boy. Double digits at your 20s. You already got double digits.
Yeah, most people like started sex in high school.
But still, boy.
Maybe in high school, you left high school with 3 bodies. Go to uni or college, you live there with like 7.
Imagine adding four bodies in 1 week, bro. 4 bodies.
You are not beating, boy. In 1 week, 4.
And they love mermaids also.
What time is like, what's he? And the coins we are Mushabeling and also the chief Laco.
I was named shot, but situation as a moon man was planning to shot or something. Comes will break it.
You don't see yourself getting married.
I'm sure. That's what
I'm saying. You don't see yourself.
I think
at the moment.
For now.
I mean, boy, I think it's hard to shut the JT down. Because I'm more shut down. You go there to peak in the Ebonai, like physical appearance. Then most of you dog. Like Central No too, then you get to realize, oh shit.
Then you're shambles. Like getting peaked. Like peaking
I think that's how it
who you want
works.
to marry. And
Most of them traveling in okay.
I think
Induce.
like going for Islam. I think that's what your scenario is about, like peaking judging about the appearance, not the personality or the mindset.
Boy, manje uzolithola bitch manje.
Akhona.
Angisho ukuthi awekho.
That's the thing. What's all?
That's all. You're not gonna date 4 years without wanting to chow.
Kyangawo.
Akhona.
Kyangawo ukuthi userious kangana ngokushada lechichika.
Yeah, khona namathisha khulula ukuthi angashaya ecaleni. For real dog.
Akhona vele. Athina sicebo kusomisa boy shakathanga.
Sicobashe bathanga.
Well, uthanda zamabili wayisha.
Shakathanga labavele.
Kodwa somnyama.
Bakhona impela.
Akhona vele nawo abanye bethu shama anal because
Yo, I know. Yo,
akhona bro.
umdzidzi. Okay.
Athi dala umdzizi bese ngiyahlola mina ekhaya bethu noma udzala umdzizi.
I enjoy kakhulu.
Yes. Ulogo nje waphendula. Now it's say, don't mind the question though.
What question?
Each back shot for $1 billion. How many back shots he could?
Sauce.
Yeah, for
Billion.
1 back shot, 1 billion. 2 back shot, 2 billion.
My boy, man, I'm going to broke. Man, back shots. Hell nah, nigga. Don't listen to me, cheat.
But you can skate one.
Disappearing.
Get your
country, boy. Billion. Billion.
USD, my nigga.
Billion.
I'm good, bro.
In USD.
Boy,
Where's
1 billion, man. Jazz, yes, man. 1 billion, say jazz.
Uzosa mama.
Sengiyazi.
Uzokwazi ukuthi ne-billion.
Angeke ngabona lapho unemali. Phepha ke ngabona unemali.
Disappear of the country.
So how many shots would you take? Back shot?
Who said I'm taking back shots? I ain't
What is bro saying?
I'm taking shit.
What is bro saying?
But like if I were to, but like I wouldn't. But like if I were to take shots,
Take 3.
aye. That's the thing. I wouldn't even like take shots, but like nah.
If you were to?
Like that's not even if I were to.
I'm taking that 3 billion.
3 billion you cash. That shit nah. boy.
The breeze out, bro. It's
Nah.
not gonna not. It's not gonna not like.
He's not gonna nut.
Why the little party?
Nah, boy, gag.
Yes.
Man said,
I'm going to get Kupa corner when you are far. Hell nah, bro.
I'm gonna my brain manager forever. 5 billion.
So I said, Charlie, for 20 billion.
Wow.
Oh, nah.
Trolls.
Nah.
Okay, nah, boy. When would you?
Nah.
Yeah, but I never did more. I tried. That's bulada.
Bro,
That's bulada.
you know, when I said that, bro, people thought I was crazy, dog. Because I was like, bro, jail, dog. If they tell me that tomorrow I'm going to jail, boy, you will wake up the next morning, this emotion.
That's
Ah,
bulada.
boy, you're scared, man.
Unless they do comments up to you under arrest. But to it,
Now, go and say, coming under arrest and fuck us and show
I don't think it's easy to kill yourself, eh?
It would be easy that day.
Because it's Buddha, man.
I don't know.
So,
I
Papa,
know it was crazy, man.
All my fights never.
so trap
Shabazz
up.
babulada.
But yeah, but I know.
Shabazz babulada.
I know.
Come here, say, I know. Hey, I'm going to go to the place. I'm podcast with Hey, but the motor is
In the dark, create a butterfly.
Like I've never watched like a full
Now
episode.
I've never watched it full.
Akekho umuntu ebukela episode full. Sekwabantu nje basitha ama-video labana bawa-edit ama-clips ku-TikTok.
But ukhuluma kanje yedwa dog for how long?
I don't think we yet. I think like they are.
Yeah, une-background crew.
Yeah, there is, but
But
like
like we yet to podcast like we one hlala kanje akhulume nje camera. Ubona sikhulumela umsakazo kanje. Yazi good. Don't angivakasheli ngihlala ke ukubulala ngaye. Ngiyoziphatha le. Ngalika ukuvakashela ukuhamba ngesente
Uthi headphone izozithi
ngalika nje ukuvakashela ngihlala ke eDubai.
ngiyayikhalakatha-ke
Ngibona ngizwe phakathi ne-podcast. Cool.
Yeah, I got hired lapha kwi-podcast and chill reshuffle.
Ithi indaba yindlela ipiano pulse. Is that all normal?
Yeah, it's Music Pulse nowadays, not as a new host. I wanna, it's so trolls now, boy. I want to tell you, Spheres. I've never watched, but like, I've seen clips, yeah, but like, yo, it's trolled. Yeah, I think Rage Bait.
Rage Bait, man.
Also, my feet also, bro. He needs to chill. I think they have I'm GTR Rage Bait.
Well, Rage Bait.
Not a better clubs with that. That's why I think I think it's my crash out. Crazy Rage Bait, you know, it's like.
Oh, you should call me a hope. Were you not a hope?
Yo,
I know, dog. I know, but I'm no longer. Were you not a hope? Yeah. I'm just a rich bait. Who's for the bad? I don't get
Tavera, you wouldn't know anything about academics. No, I think Bekuma. You should come out and graduate. I forgot the actual name.
So,
I don't know the actual name. It's space. I don't care about that shit. Very wouldn't care about academics.
Yeah, but it's feels so guap like that, dog. Because you always flexing about money, like.
I mean, he never pays royalties. So,
what is he? What's that?
I think he owns companies, record labels and stuff.
Yeah, I think.
Because it's more like Cruise Africa. You know, Cruise Africa has money, dog. That bro has money, dog.
She can say verified, man.
On TikTok.
All thanks to Jaden, boy. Jaden made it.
But they made each other, though. Because now it's Jaden's not.
But like, yeah, Jaden gained clout using Cruise Africa's name.
Are they not gone now that he's not talking about him?
What's what?
I'm saying like the clouds, are they not gone since it's not talking about?
I mean like the beef is yabona man sakhulunywa bangayo now, like it's no Cruise Africa, I think.
But do you blame the for taking that gun?
Do you
blame me for like taking the gun out?
Yeah, boy, like this is a fucking kid, boy. Like
I'm not gonna. The boy was just
He's not a kid anymore.
boy,
He's just trolling.
I was trolling,
boy.
He was just trolling.
Just
trolling.
He's just.
Now, what if Cruise Africa didn't reply, the boy wasn't gonna get paid.
No, it was already like getting like gang numbers.
Yeah, but like he got most numbers because Cruise Africa replied and asked for the meetup to happen. Aaron, like we live. I get to why join you live, yeah, Aaron. Then they were exchanging words over it. Then not let it meet up, but Aaron make it happen, boy, and it happened. They came prepared, boy.
Yeah, but the gun was unnecessary. But like maybe
gun was
Slevnyana
unnecessary,
was not unnecessary, though. You can't trash name my name on social then expect me to smile at you when you see it.
Some reasons.
Just mine.
Miles, bro, he keeps on like he kept like talking about him, bro.
Mine, dog. But I feel you fair, dog. I'm just mine.
That he did explain it. He said like I thought this guy was an influencer. Then when I checked his videos, he only talks about me.
You're troll.
Then what type of bullshit is there? Like you're only creating content about me, dog.
I'm troll.
Top 5 bad artist in South Africa, Cruise. You lost Cruise. Imagine though, the whole top 5 is you.
Boy came in an agenda there, boy. He knew if I use this guy's name, like to that extent, I'm gonna get recognized because this guy is nobody, and South Africa doesn't know this guy. Not that he's nobody, but I guess what Jaden did.
But I think Cruise was like, Uncle's like big then, dog.
Back
Yeah,
then.
he was
I
big
think
back then, but like I was not tapped into his music like that. But I knew there was someone who's called Cruz Africa. Just that his music though. I wasn't
Cruz
tapped in
Africa
like that.
wetshontsula umuntu oshaya i-house madoda ngingazi ukuthi kule ngomye kanje wetshonsayela abantu abashaya u-house
aniyeteri nkabi manye wempuku
Cruz Africa phela igama ngethelebrile
because I remember I went to Google and stream that like, the bro he had like a Wikipedia. I'm like, damn.
He's been there before empty boy.
The one is beefing with MC.
Imagine.
hey
And
SA
Speedy Boy.
hip hop. And who?
Do you think SA hip hop is ever gonna come back? Because someone said
It is
something
there.
very profound. Like he said like when
go back to the top
when like
mashile
Oquesta Banban like that hip hop they were making collabs like Bebezwana bro. Yeah. Then the new era when they came in they were all beefing. That's when like they feel like hip hop and Mzansi. Iphuke khona.
mashile abaqomi is the
But I
future
think it's
now
still there boy.
The hip hop
Yeah.
who's making crazy numbers and there's like maybe like there's 4-3.
Mama.
That's what I'm saying. It's my money, 20 time money.
Kinky.
Kinky is not making like crazy numbers like that. Let's be honest. Do you know any song?
Kane Kid or K Kid?
Both of them. No, okay, bro. Mention one or any 2 or 3 songs that you
Putting me
thought
on the spot now. But
of. Nah! 20 time money songs, you tap some.
Yeah, I do.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. You
Even
can.
Kane Kid I do, but like you're putting me on the spot now, so I wouldn't.
Bro, you would just like, if you listen to the songs.
Yeah, but like now you're putting me on the spot, man.
Mchita. What's it meant to my gang numbers? I'm like,
Aren't they? Angazi phela.
hey, yo, boy, think that's not that's a song. What the hell is there? Sleep there.
But like,
It's the hype from Josie. That's the thing. The hype from Josie, if you rock it in Josie, then they're gonna think you rock it all over Southern. That's the thing. That's how I say it. But just my money and 20 Diamond, I would say they're rocking Southern.
yeah.
How about Kane Kid? The other rappers, boy, let's be honest now. Let's be honest. I don't know shit about hip hop like that, but come on.
It's fading away. The game's gone.
Come on.
The game's gone. The game's gone.
I
Okay,
think
yeah,
even
Kane.
Swanko, bro, the commentator is making like good numbers than them. I wasn't Swanko. Wee!
Oh,
I wasn't Swanko. Swanko Franco.
No.
Let's have
We're
it.
talking about
More
Martin.
rap umsangano uzokutshela ukuthi umsangano kule rap. I wasn't Swanko. Wee! Boy, sazongibona ke-5 yakho. Yabona
Techie.
more umsangano ekutshela ukuthi hayi yabona le nto le.
Crash boy.
Yeah, like into yayo ke nayo content yayo ihamba nge-hip hop kuphela.
Yeah.
It's talking about hip hop only. Hip hop.
I guess Gom is the future.
Gom?
You don't play the same Gom. You don't listen to Gom, boy.
Bine phambili bona sabe.
Piano.
Piano la manje, boy. Nah, piano is not the same. Piano is not the same.
Ubuza uDaliwonga oyoungstana
Nabo benzo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let's be serious. That's the
Come on.
What about 10?
Come on.
Bring
He's
that
really
piano.
He's really a chicken.
Oh, nah.
But I won't lie, the song is fine, but it's on my piano. That's the thing.
It's like
Catchy,
pianos
but
went
not
from
fire.
giving messages to asking questions, boy.
It's catchy, not fire, dog.
Yeah, but like, we
Because
enjoy
God,
it.
like, in squads, dog, like, chicken licking, right to your microwave. I was like, what the fuck, bro? Chicken licking, right to your microwave.
But I think piano has been like that, though.
Yeah.
Teddy Peppers in, Teddy Peppers is doing piano.
The beginning of piano, dog.
That was, hey, piano
It
has
was
been like,
peak piano though.
Best then.
Somehow singanga into it. Nah, that shit was
then.
crazy, boy.
Back then, because if
so Benzo, they cooking trash.
That's
Nah,
trash.
you cooking crash now, boy.
Trash. Trash,
Oh, boy, I feel like Benzo, boy.
It's no go.
Bro,
The rights, la post no koloko, no.
I'm a writer, dog.
No, ke matlatata. Manje, you're falling off, my
I'm a writer, bro. He's never falling off, boy.
He's falling off. Bro.
Thing is, yeah, what?
Mob shot might be better, though.
Who?
Mob shot.
Me, thing is, your boy Ingoma favorite trash talk and TikTok. Then when the guy is performing it, everyone is singing it.
Because it's catchy. That's why.
Then we put it on Musu Kula Pelamasum
It's catchy.
It's catchy.
That's why I'm playing my last boy. You see, after 2 weeks, when I release song after 2 weeks, it's shy.
That was cool.
But it's a piano that it's, I think for like the past 2 years, it's been like that.
That's the thing. They releasing catchy songs.
But the one thing that play schools. That's weird. What the
It's been there. It's been there.
what happened? What is called?
And comes I said it's TikTok as a whole. Who's fucking up on my piano though. Cause he said like everyone who's making my piano these days trying to make a hit for TikTok.
They're trying to make TikTok trends and dances, song for dances.
Damn, bro.
I think that's what Amapiano Amanja are based on, making trends for TikTok.
Then you're like, where's the charming, dog?
They are making money for sure, but like the songs though, let's be real, boy. The songs are trash.
That's why it's running up my guy.
The songs are trash.
The piano is deeping, boy. Man, I think it's coming out nicely.
I'm way to I'm OGs.
I'm like, oh jeez.
One man, you know, cabs low. My police to ye piano, so it's chat.
Yeah. What's up inside?
So weird opera house and
I'm like, whoa. Police gone from piano.
yeah, I was trying to do shit.
You're never hitting again.
One cabs, I think it's transitioning to featuration number from artist and cool man. Singing keep piano hit.
He did just release a song 2 days back, I think. 2 days.
Is it a hit?
Yes, not a hit though, but like it's Kabza boy. Yes,
Yeah, Kabza, yeah.
This is
You can't see, yeah, exactly.
because
bro.
in the instrument yes, this is purely Kabza.
I think Kabza is
he
like,
crafted this.
I don't put him as the same. I don't put jazzy, but I think it's more like jazzy. If you listen to jazz tune music, dog, like it's quality, dog.
The kid knows it. This kid,
That's what I'm saying, bro. But when you listen, you can listen to that song for like maybe every day in a week. But when there's a piano artist that we're talking about, the man, as you guys were saying, but it's catchy. Because like Mamela Mogu, you can't listen to that shit for 5 days. Because of deep.
Yeah. I think Kabza though is still cooking, boy. There's this project they had just released maybe 2 days back. Kanye Sanjalo and Impilo, yo, boy.
Boy, I'm an OG.
You should go listen.
OG. Oh, youngster. Oh, daddy, war.
Daddy.
This music will keep it. I don't know.
Camille, Shilana Balaba.
Machine, man. It's right, man. That's now. Benz.
I'm a Benz. Energy, Monga has the trend that it doesn't make sense to me.
But honestly, me, dog, you know, I listen to my piano on TikTok. Like, it's rare to find.
Because on TikTok, with most products when you say pianos.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I hear those songs on TikTok.
Mostly, yeah.
Yeah, I would never say that.
That's what we are saying. They are making pianos for TikTok these days. They don't cook piano like back then, boy. The peak piano, boy.
About this, my
7's way to.
bro.
That was peak, yeah. 2020, 2021. They cooked, boy.
So I think like in 5 years, piano will be dead.
Not dead.
He said it was falling, so I'm asking you. Do you think Gom is gonna take over?
It's already taken over.
Taken over?
Gom is already taken over. Gom for the past 2 years. Keep your hits after hits, dog. Gom. Yeah, kupu. Tell you. Good man,
Okay, Maskandi is there for generations and generations.
Maskandi, yeah.
Maskandi is not going anywhere.
Ukuthi igoma ngithandi
Like,
ngalezo khona lezo ingoma lezo, but it's not like I was saying ngabule ngisukela nje ulalela igoma yawa.
Ngoba ama-artist weqomo uGold Max bakuningi Gold Max.
Boy is crooked there. But I think he's still cooking though. Gold Max has been there in 2016, 21, he's still.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
They-
but not tukuzini.
Tukuzini there. Boy, Fundy Kula. Boy, DJ K-Nator. Boy, DJ Leg. Boy, Mama. Boy,
Maybe I'm not
Gold is
exposed
too
like that. I
united.
don't know,
Boy.
but like Gold taking over.
Oh
Taking
boy, he's
over.
crooked there. Nah, boy, it's too much.
Hey, it's all about football, Nyana. Do you think everybody's gonna take the leg?
That's gonna be a tight one, boy. That's gonna be a tight one. I won't lie.
Kodwa iPirates mos misahlule ukudla Sundowns, I doubt.
Yeah,
Misahlule ukudla Sundowns.
They played twice or once this
Asadlala
season.
kayi-1.
And Santa's gonna they still gonna play with us.
Yeah.
We're gonna donate like 3 points.
Yeah, oh,
That's a
yeah,
known
it's
fact.
fancy.
Then, if they beat us, they're gone.
Pirates will be disappeared.
And Pirates also, we're gonna donate. Let's be honest.
Manje futhi.
Like those cases playing
Bonile
trash.
ukuthi
Like this case yaqala kahle kabi.
You know,
At
bro.
the beginning of the season, it was
ngakuthi
there.
yaqala kahle. Yeah, ikwazi ukumaintain.
It was cooking.
Me, bro.
Ikhosi sithi ngalibukela. Awumeze wona igame uzowina ngo-1-0 kuphela. Ayikazi ukore more than 1 goal. 1-0.
Me.
Game yonke. Come on, ngeke uzoloku wina ngo-1-0 lo. Bo esikhukhuni ukuthi asenzani. First defeat kwi-league. Shauba 3-1, 4-1. I was like, come on, let's see why he's winning
Nah, bro, I just find it funny that most Kaizer Chiefs fans are angry this season, bro. You know, I stopped watching Kaizer Chiefs maybe like 2 years ago, dog.
Oh,
Like watching full 90 minutes.
ngicela ukukeza gcina uyisupporta kahle ngicina 2021
Bro,
Yeah, wait
now I'm
till
just
2021.
dollar, bro. Like, little when Kaizer Chiefs like full 90 minutes, Kaizer Chiefs are dollar.
manje sekuyiclub engiyithanda awuthi
Yeah, because it's in South Africa, bro.
but like come on, inkosi dog
Aye.
uyohlela isport
I'm
ubonile
just-
coach Kazi uthini uthe Kaizer is performing better now than wonke abanye ama-season umjito usikhombisa amalokhunjana ama-shots created nani yonke leyo I was like dog ayisizi ngabe ukuthole because anikori nokukora kumele sithini thina anikori nokukora dog Kaizer iyahluleka ukukora igame iyahluleka
Lapho I saw a post ethi
buka buka
iPirates iyacreate ke boy. Iyadlala iPirates idlalela enye ibhola nje bese.
I mean, I'm just like Chiefs. Like,
Lapho I saw a post ethi uPitso is waiting on Kaizer
Ah,
to ask them to
Upietso na I
To be a
doubt
coach.
that you can make a difference.
he can,
He can.
if the management can allow him to make.
You can get like management.
It's more like Kevin Hunt, bro. You know, I got so pissed when they fight Kevin Hunt. And most people are saying like, Chiefs was good. Like they were supposed to fight for what?
for what?
For what? Kevin Hunt wasn't signing players in that season, dog. And he was performing in Africa, but not in the Willow Kunj, the PSL.
James, the Chiefs fans want to see goals in your game. That's the
Kanja Nunga win the league. You never won league in 10 years. Never
That's
won
the problem.
like any trophy. Then all of a sudden, if you win a young game, Africa Nazi was in your body.
He's on.
I mean, I'm just like Chiefs and first young customer. If I don't know the ball pillar, do I can't.
Phela
You
nimthe.
can just get in there, John. Take a match.
Iyacasula igame. Like iyacasula.
Ikinga vele yayihlelo kwi-management Kaizer mntu ojunior abenzi kahle for the club. I think nje sebenzela amaphakethe awo ukuthi hayi hlala ngiclub ngala iphaketheni.
Ezomndeni azingena, phumani ngena.
Kodwa serious benzela leyo nto. Sina phela sesisupport iclub. Asisikhulume
Nazi
ngale club.
izwelele, nabo sikhulukhune. Naka eThekwini nakhona amaZulu, you can pick amazulu, you can pick arrows.
manje yonke.
But that's what I'm saying. There are better teams in your province right now. You can pick Amazulu, you can pick.
Ngiphikke amazulu. Ngazi sho umdlalo oyiwona. That's the thing.
Usibonayo boy.
I cook, die, what I get.
Abalekile ngempela.
Abancane
Yeah, like,
Pirates, the Sundowns.
Sometimes gonna take the league again this season.
What sometimes you should.
And mina kunokuthatha iPirates ngithatha iSundowns again. I don't even care, bro.
Pirates
don't
fans
care,
talk
bro.
too much.
That's the same thing as in Premier League. Same as the thing. People want City to take them over, but people hate to see it. I don't know why.
I mean, boy, when Arsenal this season. I want Arsenal to take the league than Man City. I think I've heard enough of Manchester City fans. I've heard enough.
The king was City fans are the most humble. No, what happened?
Most
humble. No, what happened? Everyone is hating against City, dog.
because y'all talk too much, dog.
Talk too much. Guys, no kulums best we win, dog.
That's
We are
wrong.
winning things.
That's why Arsenal made it as league.
Yeah, I think I'm being attacked Arsenal. It's not very last one gets about fan.
Me, I'm not familiar with Arsenal, so I don't know.
Mans!
Come on.
What's it?
Watch.
Hey.
Sing out very
Good boy, nice.
Doing with it. Social media, social media. I'm very geeky. Social media. Really, Arsenal.
I'm quite exposed.
Unless we don't get
We're good.
My God is this weather.
an hour and 16.
But hey man, you can drive it up.
Yeah, Kaiser, boy, you need to do better. You need to do better, boy. We're not happy with how you're performing. Single happy.
Chips. You're never gonna change, boy.
But anyways, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.
But I feel you're about to like.
To you who made it here, thank you for watching till here. Oh fuck my head. Thank you for watching till here. We out.
We out.